Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll see another scenario of Databricks Lakeflow jobs. Here we'll see how to pass the dynamic values of from one notebook, one task to another task. Let's try to understand today's scenario first. What we are going to do. What we'll do, this task X would be our main task. So from here, we'll generate we'll pass some random values. Or you can say some data count. Suppose in our production, what is in one notebook or one notebook task, we used to get the data from the source, and after that that source count, if we want to pass in another notebook for any transformation work or anything, validation, what we need to do, that we will perform. And from here we'll take some data, some count of our source to y. Y task is a nothing but a notebook activity. Notebook task as a parameter, and the same way what we'll do, we will take that value as a task value in task z. This here we will perform the parameterization. Param we'll use as params. And here we'll use as a task value, t value. T value. So how to do this thing, we'll see. For both of this, we will take this from task X only. So let's see. If you are still not understanding, you will be able to understand when you will see the whole video, complete video. Simple thing. This is nothing but passing the value dynamically in the next task. So let's see. Suppose here we will create one data frame. So this data frame, if we are creating, so the data frame will give us the data of fruit and their count. So now this data frame is giving us the fruit and count. So now in this data frame we have total 2 records. That's how we will get from, if we will do df dot count. So that I will store it on a different variable. This is a Python, complete Python thing. Df count, you can say. So df, if I take the df count and like this, it will give me the count. 2. So total we have 2 records. Whatever data we have in the source, that is 2. So these 2 values, I want to pass this on the notebook y as a parameter, and on the same value from x only, without any dependency of y, I want to pass this to notebook z also. As a task. Parameter is nothing but something like that. Using the utilities, db utils, widgets dot get, not to get, first I will show you using this. Suppose I'm giving it at count. Okay, so okay, position like here. First I am passing a line string. Okay, and for reading this, you can see here one box has been, okay, the pass for passing the parameter is whatever I will pass, it will teach from here. Okay, and for teaching it, I need to write tp utils dot widgets dot get the name. The name is count. Parameter name is count. I am getting a 10 value as a string. Okay. Here, whatever it will be, it will come as a string. After that, if you need to pass it as a integer, then you type it. That is the separate thing. Okay. This same thing, I will not take it from here. It will dynamically come from X notebook. Whatever count it is, that same count, it will go in Y as a parameter, and it will print whenever I will I will write as db dot widgets dot get count. Okay. So how we will do? First, let me remove this. Okay. From here I can remove it. You can pass the default parameter selecting from here, and parameter type. All these things are here. You can play with this. Okay. For now, I will remove it from here. Okay. So I will pass this thing through the pipeline. Okay, pipeline parameter. For that, what I need to do? I need to create one pipeline. Before that, I need to pass this value using the task value. I need to uh, I need to use the task value set and get method for this. Okay. In our last scenario also we use that thing. Utils dot job dot task values dot set. Then here what you can give as a key equals to df count, and key would be your the key would be you can put as a as df count, and value also you can put it, or key you can give another name also. So normal count or something counter, and this is a variable you can use it. Okay. So now I have created this. Now for pipeline creation I can go here. Let's create a job first. So the job name first I will give job 1. Okay. Now I'll add the notebook. My primary first notebook is notebook X as a task A, task A, I will provide it. Okay, task A. Okay, I have taken all the things should be seen. Open automation automatically it will be on whenever I will create the task. Okay, let it create. After that, what we'll do, we will create another task, notebook level task. Basically, in our data factory, what it used to call, we used to call it as notebook activity. Okay, notebook level task. Here it will be called as a task, as I told you earlier. Task B, and the task B would be my while notebook, where I will pass this as a parameter. So here I will select the parameter that will come later. First, uh, let me select it. And third one, same task Z will be created. Means task C will be created, where the value will come directly from the first notebook task, the task X. Here I am giving the naming convention EVC. So your Z will be C. Okay, let's go. Another task I will create. This is also a notebook level task. I'll give the name as task C. Path I will give Z. Okay. And another thing, this will be depend on task A. Okay. The format will be like this. From A to B, value will go. A to C also value will go. So for A to B, when value will go, let me save it. So whenever it will go as a parameter, we need to keep in mind that here in notebook Y means task B, it is going as a parameter. So we need to pass this. We need to configure this parameter dynamically on the notebook level. So for that, we have this option on notebook B. There is a thing parameter. Okay, here we need to give the key. So here it was count. The key would be count. Okay, count, and the value would be the, click on this and go down. So task A, you can see task task A means this one value. So what value we should take? We should take df count, the key of that state method. What during the state method, whatever key you have selected during the task value set method, whatever key was there, that we need to take. So we have taken it as a count also. So we need to give it as count, not df count. Okay, count. Then we can save it. And for task C means notebook set. Here we need to get the value directly as a, here we have set it, we have set the value directly using the task value get method. So for that, what we will do, we will just do db utils dot job, the utils dot job dot task values dot here. Okay. So after that, what we need to pass? We need to pass. We need to pass the task name. Okay. This is task A, as we are taking the value directly from the task level. Okay. So this will be task A. Okay. And after that, what we need to pass? We need to pass that key. So basically it is count. Okay. Now it is ready. So let me run it. All the configuration done. Let me run it. Okay. So now run started. Once run complete, we will check the output. Okay. The tags are here. Okay. So let's see. Once the run completed, we will check the output. So you can see successfully transfer completed. Now we can go and we can check the output. You can see directly dbt is what we did with the count value it is taking as to pipeline parameter. Okay. Now we'll check another notebook output, another task output. This also should get as 2. This is also getting as 2 value. So like this, you can dynamically pass the values from one notebook to another notebook. Okay. Using these two types of method, using this task value set and get method, and also parameterizing value in the next notebook. Okay. So I hope you guys have understood the concept. If you guys have any kind of doubt, you can directly reach out to me via TalkMate. All the sessions are free. You don't need to pay any single penny for that. Okay. And if you still think you need other types of content, or if you have any kind of specific doubt, you can comment. I can reply back to that comment to clarify your doubts. Okay. So any feedback regarding this video, you can comment on the video comment section. It will be very much appreciable. Okay, and it will inspire us also to create content for you guys, as it's a non-profitable initiative. I would request you guys, please subscribe our channel if you think these videos are really helping you guys. I would request you guys, please like and share with your friends. Okay, and subscribe our channel Cognitive Coders. Okay, I hope you guys have understood this concept. Still, if you have any doubt, once again I'm telling you, you can comment on the video comment section. I am trying my best to giving you the whole concept understanding, and also for your doubt, I will give all kinds of reply for your clarification. Okay. So thank you for watching our video. For now, bye. We'll see in next video also one new concept on data data Databricks Lakeflow. Okay.